The American Cancer Society says nearly 53,000 Americans will die of pancreatic cancer this year, making it the third deadliest form of cancer behind lung and colorectal. This morning, the FDA approved the first pill designed to target the most common mutation behind it. And joining us now to discuss is CBS News medical correspondent Dr. Céline Gounder, who is also editor-at-large for public health at KFF Health News. So, Dr. Gounder, always good to see you. Why are cancer doctors calling this pill a turning point?
So most patients get the diagnosis of pancreatic cancer quite late, at which point it's already metastatic, so it's already spread. And so at that point, chemotherapy has traditionally been the only option. But with this new medication, RAS-on-Q, the generic is daraxonrasib. This is a pill that blocks a protein called RAS, R-A-S, and mutations in RAS drive about 90% of all pancreatic cancers. Scientists have been calling RAS undruggable for the last 40 years, and now finally we have a drug for it.
And, you know, based on the headline, it sounds like patients are living twice as long as anticipated when they have been taking this pill. So I'm thinking of all the families that are, you know, waiting with bated breath for the diagnosis and the prognosis and all of those things. What does this mean for those families sitting in the waiting room? Well,
so doubling in this case means 13 months on average versus 7 months with just the chemotherapy. So, the issue with pancreatic cancer is this is still a very deadly disease. With metastatic cancer, the 5-year survival prior to this new medication was only about 3%. We are seeing some people living for years with the new medication RAS-on-Q.
And so can you just break it down for us? How is this medication taken? Is it affordable? How can people gain access to it?
So this is one pill once a day at home. You don't need the infusion chair the way you do with chemotherapy. A lot of people will get a rash. Some people get mouth sores or diarrhea, but the side effects are nowhere near as severe as what you see with chemotherapy, where a lot of people end up having to discontinue because the side effects are so severe. Price, almost $40,000 a month, or nearly $500,000 a year, so this is not cheap. The company expects that insurance will cover most of this, but out-of-pocket costs could vary widely. Could be as little as $0 with a coupon if you have commercial insurance, but there's no free lunch because with expensive drugs like this, that ends up driving up the insurance premiums for everyone. Also, 70% of pancreatic cancer patients are 65 and older, which means they're on Medicare, and those coupons don't work with Medicare.
That's an important point to make. Dr. Céline Gounder, we appreciate your time and insight. Thanks for coming on.